100 subscribers very fast. It is very important to know that you can get 100 subscribers very fast. Yes, if you do the following, if you use the following strategy. Number one, best videos. For you to get 100 subscribers very fast, it is very important that you upload the best videos. What are the best videos that you have? Best videos are the best topics. Search the best topics in a Google Trend and you will get the best topic that the most countries that are using or wanting. Maybe US, United States, Nigeria, Kenya. Yes, what are the best topics or the best videos? Please use this to upload every now and then. Upload the best videos. Yes, upload the best videos and your channel will blow up. You blow up by getting 100 subscribers daily. It is very needful and you will be qualified within no time. You get 1,000 subscribers, which is the best qualification for YouTube algorithm. Please do it and may God bless you. 100 subscribers. Yes, there are best strategies that can be used. Second one, short videos. It is very important that to know that you can get 100 subscribers daily by use of short videos. Short videos are the videos that you get maybe 2 to 3 minutes, because even if the video is very long and is not good, short videos people will look, but short are the good. Yes, short are the good. It is very important to know that short videos can get you 100 subscribers daily within no time, because short videos will not give you 400 watch time hours but can give you subscribers. It is very important to know that what short videos can give you subscribers very fast. Yes, short videos are the best to use to get subscribers, whereby by the end of the day all people are subscribing, because you have a short best topic and very short and funny. Yes, and the best video. Yes, it is very important to know that. That is the second strategy, that is short videos. Make use of short videos to get subscribers. Subscribers every day. There is strategy that number 3 that you can use to get 100 subscribers every day. That is by use of upload. Yes, it is very important to know that by means of upload, be consistent in uploading your videos. Maybe it's on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for every week. Be consistent. Don't do waste once today and then you do it for the next week and the next year, like that. Be consistent so that the YouTube algorithm will notice you by the use of their visibility. I know that this is a consistent person, so they suggest or recommend your videos by putting your videos very fast on the YouTube. Yes, the YouTube will be able to recommend and suggest your videos as the first person, because you are a consistent person, you don't fail. But if you are not consistent, the YouTube algorithm will not recommend your videos. They will be recommending the videos for the people who do it every day and the people they know. So it is very important to be consistent in uploading videos. Yes, it is very important to know that. Yes, consistency is the thing. Yes, be knowing like that and your channel will blow up very fast. Yes, thank you. 100 subscribers by the use of this strategy number 4. It is very important to know that you can get 100 subscribers by the use of Facebook. If you upload your video on your YouTube, then copy that video and put it on your Facebook page. Have a Facebook page. That is another website that will help you grow your channel and grow your views by use of Facebook page. When you upload it and put it on your Facebook page, the Facebook page or the audience will be able to have you visual and they will be able to look on your channel and they will be able to subscribe more and more and more. Yes, make use of your Facebook as the page to upload and to post your videos every now and then, and your channel will blow up with the time. Yes, and your audience will be able to subscribe and view your channel today and tomorrow, every day and now and then. Thank you. Please subscribe on my channel and may God bless you.